What's up, Chico? So we're here. I think we gotta turn it around and head up that way. We might hit the peak or come around this way, and then possibly all the way over to there, which we can see a lake. I don't know if we can get there, but we're gonna try. Not on purpose. Yeah, that's why they're laughing. Mailbox. Sign your name and all that.
It says to bring the rock from another place.
Yeah, we forgot to do that.
Oh man. Can I bring a rock from over here and then put it there?
Just try to cheat the system.
It's another place.
We have reached the top. So the sign says for good luck, bring a rock from somewhere else and drop it here. We didn't bring a rock, but we got a rock from over there, which is technically someplace else, and we're bringing it over here. So we'll take whatever luck we can get.
I placed it right up there.
At the very top?
Yeah.
Nice.
Whoa.
So are you supposed to sticker bomb this? I mean, Matt and Peggy. Oh, Matt and Peggy were just here. What's up, Peg? Oh, the Minion Rock. Love it. I think there's another one over there. Oh, and there's three. They got all three. Ladybug, kinda.
Love you, Mom. Aw, someone passed away. They put love you, Mom.
That's touching.
Skylar
Speaking of touching, best sex ever. Thanks, Scott. Yo, they were just here too. So we want to try to go to that lake over there. Looks like you can hike down. There's some trails over there, but yeah, I don't know. It's beautiful though. I like this place.
I found it.
What's that?
I found it.
You found it? Where'd you find it?
I Googled it.
You Googled it? So Google found it?
Yeah, I found it for me.
Nice. Yeah, man, it's a nice little spot. It's only about an hour away from Denver, right next to St. Mary's Glacier. Ended up being a beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky. What a day. this point that way. However, we can still keep going up that way.
Yeah, there's dog poop, I think, there.
There's dog poop?
I think so.
That's unfortunate.
That's not Chico.
Pick up your poop. Indeed, there is poop.
Yeah.
There he is. All the way down there. Chico shark doo 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 doo. Chico shark doo 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 doo. Chico shark.
Chico shark.
Man, that 55 turned into 65, turned into 70 real quick. I'm over here full fleece sweating. And I was just about to talk about how quiet it was up here, but thanks to Southwest. There. What a view though, huh? What a day. How many people? 7 people all day, 5 of which were all hiking together, and have not seen them since. Top of the world. So it's about 3 o'clock now. I think we have a choice. We can keep going down the hill and make it through Blackhawk, or we can just do the out and back as planned, which is probably what we're going to end up doing. We did have to take I-70 to get here, so probably head on back here soon. Until next time.